Hello and welcome back to another episode of the PR campaign by Public Media Solution. The goal of this campaign is to teach you everything there is to know about the PR industry in India. This is episode number 5 or 6, something like that. But the objective of this episode is to make you understand the ability of a press conference. What all is possible as part of a press conference? How do we as a PR agency do press conferences? How do we invite the media? And what are the steps of doing a press conference? I'm super excited. Let's just jump right into it. As a PR agency, जब भी हमको कोई भी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का रिक्वेस्ट आता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से बैंगलोर के जेपी नगर के अंदर कोई तो नया स्टोर लॉन्च हो रहा है एंड दे आर वांटिंग सम मीडिया टू कम एंड अटेंड द इवेंट फॉर देम. The way that we personally do a press conference as Public Media Solution is that we do it in a total of 3 phases. Okay, so phase 1 is a pre-event coverage. Pre-event coverage का entire goal is to just let people know that this event is happening tomorrow. That is it. This is done in a media platform such as, let's say, Financial Express, something like Times of India, something like Hindustan Times, where we launch a pre-event digital media coverage. On-event is the second phase of this press conference protocol that we have in-house. The way that we do the second phase of this project, which is your actual press conference on-site journalists, यहाँ पर हो ना हो कुछ भी हो जाए, agency guarantee is that you will get a minimum of 19 to 20 journalists who will come over there with their mics and their cameras and they'll make a very very big deal out of your event. This is an agency guarantee. हमेशा इससे ज़्यादा होंगे, कभी भी इससे कम नहीं होंगे. 19 to 20 journalists. अभी आप मुझे पूछोगे अर्शित जो 19 to 20 journalists आएंगे ये कौन से journalists होंगे? Which type of journalists are this? Here is where you have to understand one very important thing about the media laws in India. Whenever a press conference happens, the PR agency creates what is known as a media invite, a press note, right? This is sent across to a lot of different media platforms across the city. As part of this, we can never deny any media. You cannot come and tell me कि ये वाला media नहीं आना चाहिए, मेरे को सिर्फ English speaking media चाहिए. Not possible. What is possible is that as an agency, we give you a minimum assurity saying that, okay, we understand that category A media is important. So we make sure that 50% of the media that comes, that is out of 20, at least 10 of the media that will come will be category A media houses. Some of them will be print, some of them will be digital, some of them will be electronic, some of them will be social media journalists, right? The market is evolving. The remaining 50% will be category B media. That means these are still very, very respected media platforms, but they are termed as regional media platforms. They are not national media. This is the second half of this press conference protocol that we have. As soon as the press conference is completed, the third phase of the press conference is a post-event coverage. Apart from the 19 to 20 journalists who have come over there, you will also be giving a post-event coverage in something, let's say, like a Z News. This post-event coverage will talk only and only about the things that have happened in the press conference yesterday. That's it. So bird's eye view again, 3-phase event, pre-event, on-event, post-event. Pre-event coverage में आपको बताया जाएगा कि this is a press conference which is happening tomorrow, just to build up that hype. On-event, 19 to 20 on-ground journalists who will come and cover your event as part of digital media, print media, electronic media, social media. Third phase is a post-event coverage which is sent across to you as a digital media coverage, and this will talk about this was the press conference, this was the store launch that took place yesterday, look at all these photos with all of the media people that were standing over there taking pictures of this particular campaign or particular launch. The idea here with a press conference is to always get the ball rolling. Starting में हम जितना भी मीडिया कैप्चर करवाने की ट्राई कर सकते हैं, कल उठ के आपको वो मीडिया उतना ही बेनिफिट देगा. Right? So that's what a press conference is like when you do it through Public Media Solution. 3-phase protocol, pre-event, on-event, post-event. Hopefully that was a bit knowledgeable for you. Hopefully this helped you clear up a few of your doubts about what a press conference is, how a press conference is conducted, who conducts a press conference, what kind of media comes to a press conference. I completely understand. अगर आपके पास 100 और क्वेश्चन हो या 1000 और क्वेश्चन हो, feel free to reach out to us in the comments. Drop us an email, give us a call, reach out to me directly. I will always be available to answer all of your questions, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you very much.